Hello guys, and welcome to Matt's Beamer. Today I will show you how to change your rear light bulbs in the rear light clusters, such as your reversing light, your rear fog lights, the rear indicators and the brake lights. Oh, and also your tail lights. I will also tell you which bulb is for what and what bulb you will need. Just remember, the lights in my car are the standard bulbs. No flashy LED lights here. Also note that this car is the pre-facelifted car. The facelifted cars have totally different rear lights, which are in two pieces. Anyway, first of all, you need to open the rear hatch. Nice one. Now, you need to remove this black cover here. On my car, being a left-hand drive car, the fog light is on the left-hand drive. On right-hand drive cars, this is where the reverse light would be. You can use a flathead screwdriver to help you unclip it. Once the black cover has been removed, you will now see a 10mm bolt. This needs to come off to help you remove the light unit. Once removed, put it somewhere safe. To remove the light, you need to give the light a good old pull. It needs to be pulled back straight in the direction of the rear of the car. No twisting or jiggling about here. It may be hard to remove, just be careful not to pull too hard. Anyway, with the light unit out, you will need to disconnect the wire plug from the light unit. Easy peasy. Now, put the light down on a soft surface. On the back of the light, you will need to remove the access hatch. There are 5 clips which need to be pulled back. Here they are. I used a flathead screwdriver to undo these clips. When all the clips have been made loose, you can remove the hatch. Here are the bulbs in their holder. The top bulb is the bulb for the brake lights. They are known as the P21W bulbs or the 382s. The orange light is obviously the indicator bulb. They are PY21W bulbs, also known as 581s. The tail lights on this car are the P21W bulbs, aka the 382s. And the bulb at the very bottom is the P21W, which is the 382 bulb. Remember, when changing your bulbs, don't use bare hands, or at least use a tissue to hold them. Also beware, they could also burn you if they have been in use. To remove the bulbs, you need to press down on the bulb and twist to release. Do the opposite to refit the bulbs. Just remember to align those 2 pins up. Sorry I didn't record this part. When you have changed your bulb or bulbs, you will need to put the rear cover back onto the light unit. Make sure that everything is aligned up and that you clip the 5 clips back into place. You should actually hear some clicks. Now, pay attention to these 2 black knobs. They need to go back into the black rubber holes. I put some rubber protection cleaner onto the areas to help me fit and remove the lights. It made it so much easier to remove the light units and so much easier to refit them too. Before you fit the light though, you need to reconnect the wiring plug. It will only fit one way. Pay attention to the little cutout and the notch inside where it goes. Back to those 2 knobs. Line them up and press the light into place. And make sure the light lens is not touching the paintwork in any area. And make sure that the gap around the light is nice and even. If you are happy, refit the 10mm nut. It can be torqued down to 2.8 Newton-meters, but I just used my brain. Now you have to refit the black cover, making sure you align the 3 tabs. Now, you have finished, wahey! But before you go, here is the light unit for the right hand side of the vehicle. As my car is left hand drive, the right hand side has the reverse light. The reverse light at the very bottom is another P21W bulb, aka the 382. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about the spark plug video yet. They will be done soon. I have limited time at the moment due to being in Greece. If you want to see more DIY videos on the F20 and F21 1 series, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and take care. Toodle pip.